Hey, welcome to Nova Toolbox. If you're trying to find AI tools that genuinely save time, improve quality, or help you build faster, this channel's for you. I don't just list features, I test the tools like a real user and show you the results on screen. How many times have you explained the same process, written the same instructions, or repeated the same workflow? What if you could teach it once, save it as an agent, and use it forever? This is where CREAO becomes interesting. It is not just a chatbot. It is built around AI agents that can help you complete real workflows, save useful processes, and reuse them whenever you need. The idea is simple. You start with a task, refine the result, and then turn that process into a reusable agent. So instead of explaining the same context again every week, you can build the workflow once and run it again with new information. This makes CREAO useful for freelancers, creators, marketers, agencies, business owners, and small teams that handle repetitive work every day. For example, imagine you are a freelancer or agency and a potential client sends you a messy project request. Normally, you need to understand the problem, organize the client's needs, decide the best service package, prepare a proposal, create a timeline, and write a professional reply. With CREAO, you can turn this into a client proposal workflow. The agent can analyze the request, identify the main goals, organize the project scope, suggest deliverables, create a clean proposal, and prepare a follow-up email. Once the workflow works well, you can save it as an agent and reuse it for future clients. This saves time, keeps your proposals consistent, and helps you look more professional. And the best part is that your agents aren't locked in once they're created. At any time, you can go back and refine them as your process evolves. For example, you might decide that every proposal should always include a detailed project timeline, and the changes take effect instantly. From that moment on, every future proposal generated by the agent follows the new rules automatically. Another practical use case is content creation. Most people use AI to get video ideas or titles, but a real content workflow is bigger than that. You need to research the topic, find useful angles, organize a content plan, write the script, prepare the description, and sometimes repurpose the same idea into social posts. With CREAO, you can create a content planning agent. You can ask it to research a niche, find audience problems, suggest video ideas, organize them into a weekly calendar, create outlines, and prepare publishing notes. Instead of getting random ideas, you get a repeatable content system that helps you stay organized every week. CREAO can also improve reporting. If you work with clients or manage a small team, you probably need to send regular updates. You have to explain what was completed, what is still in progress, what is blocked, and what needs approval. Usually, this information is scattered across notes, messages, and meetings. With CREAO, you can paste your updates or meeting notes, and the agent can turn them into a clean weekly report. It can summarize progress, highlight blockers, list action items, and prepare a professional email for the client or team. This is useful because it turns messy information into a structured output that is ready to use. After we connect Gmail and Google Docs, the app can automatically read my emails, generate a structured weekly report inside Google Docs, and also draft a ready-to-send email that can be sent to the team every week without manual work. And once this workflow is working well, we simply click Create Agent and transform the entire process into a reusable agent that runs the same reporting system automatically, anytime we need it. CREAO also includes workspaces, which help keep different projects organized. You can have one workspace for client work, another for content creation, another for marketing, and another for internal operations. This keeps agents, files, and conversations connected instead of scattered across different chats and documents. CREAO can also help with marketing campaigns. Instead of only asking for ad ideas, you can ask the agent to analyze the product, define the target audience, identify pain points, create campaign angles, write ad copy, prepare email ideas, and organize everything into a campaign brief. This helps you move from strategy to execution in one connected workflow. After you turn this workflow into an agent, you can go even further by simply pasting product links from Amazon or any other store, and the agent will automatically analyze the product, extract key benefits, identify the target audience, and generate complete marketing angles and campaign materials based on it. That is the main difference with CREAO. A normal AI tool gives you one answer. CREAO helps you turn a useful process into something repeatable. If your proposal workflow works for one product, you can use it for the next one. If your content planning process works this week, you can run it again next week. If your report format works for one project, you can reuse it for another. If you're looking for a smarter way to turn ideas into real, repeatable workflows, CREAO is worth exploring. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can build agents that handle research, content creation, analysis, and much more in a structured process. Give CREAO a try, experiment with your own workflows, and see how much faster you can go from an idea to a finished result. Link in the description below. Feel free to try it.